Orere thukuru itanyitwo kuhingura mweri ukite ngwataniro ya mathukuru ma kothi cia moko ni matetete ni namba nini ya Arutwo mathukuru maya guku makiuga undu uyu cungiriirio ni Arutwo amwe kuingirania na uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia na airetu kugia nda cia tene. Ni mihinga ino yothe kierekerio moritu maria maumanite na bururi kugumirwo ni king'uki gia COVID-19. Ndeto ino ireyumiririe hindi ya mucemanio uria uratabanitio wa o mwaka wa arutani anene ya mathukuru ma kothi cia moko bururi-ini mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, makiuga namba nene ya arutwo aria matiganiirie mathomo mao ni ya airetu.
Like in my institution, I expected around 5,000 trainees back. I have 4,700. Around 300 have not come back. And I've been following with their guardians and parents where they are.
Kuringana na muikariri gite wa ngwataniro ya mathukuru ma kothi cia moko guku bururi-ini Glory Mutungi, ni oritie kihonia kia narua gikorwo gikionekana niguo guthara mbeu njithi aya tondu ni atongoria rucio. Hamwe noguo Mutungi ni agwetete mihinga ingi iria gumeire mathukuru maya ari hamwe na namba nini ya aruti a wira, undu umwe na wagi wa indo cia guthomithiria arutwo aya.
Everybody has financial constraint. And for us, with the COVID preparedness, most resources went to to putting up the protocols. Talk to our ministry, DTE, so that they can give us more staff, because you can see now the classes are split. A class of 40 now is 20.
Mwena-ini wake mwandiki mukaru wa mathukuru ma kothi ici Julius Juan ni athingatite kuga thirikari ni igite keheri-ini kigina gia gutungatira mathomo wona thukuru ici ciacokereria mweri ukite.
Seem to have a problem of capitation. At least we got our money from government which we forwarded to them. The only thing I wanted them to do, when we release money for fees for the students, they must make sure that the students who are beneficiaries are made aware. They get receipts and it is put on a notice board where everybody can see that I've received 30,000 from the government of Kenya. My parent therefore will only add this much.
Kuhana uguo ni mahinyiriirie kuga ni mehariirie kuhingura mathukuru maya kuona ni mathingatithitie mawatho na mitarata ya COVID-19 mathukuru-ini maya. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.